For today's episode, we will be doing dessert sessions with my friend Lani.
Hi!
Since I've been living here in UAE, she's the one who's been teaching us cooking. She knows a lot about cooking. Filipino dish, whatever you call it, she knows it all. So for now, we're gonna make a very simple dessert, low budget dessert, a DIY thing. This dessert is called homemade avocado
ice cream.
Yes. If you love sweets, if you love healthy food, a combination of that is this dessert, y'all. So first we have what is this?
This one is a thick cream, but as per our research, we need heavy cream. So I think it's the same.
Yeah, it can be. This is already doable for this dessert. And then another one is the sweetened condensed milk. Yeah. We got 2 of those. Of course, our main ingredient, guys.
Ripe avocado.
Ripe avocado. We have like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. What do we have here?
Lemon juice.
Squeeze some of the lemon. How do we know if this is the right amount? 1 teaspoon, 1 spoonful.
1 spoon is enough. Because we don't want our ice cream to be like
to be too lemony because it's an avocado.
It should be sweet.
Our sugar. How much of sugar do we need for this?
This one is, it depends on our taste buds.
It depends on us actually, because if you have diabetes, of course, do not. It's gonna be measured primarily based on the experimentation while doing the process. We're still not sure. We're not a pro, y'all. We're not a pro.
Do it yourself.
If this is too sweet, it's fine. If it's not, then good. And next we have some of the containers that we have here. We are 7 who's gonna eat this ice cream, so I think this is already enough. If you have containers like this at home, it's fine. And we also have this round container. This is for the mixing.
Yes, so it's only for avocado.
Okay. We're not that
ready
for today. We just woke up. So we're just using, what is this?
This one is when you purchase a rice cooker.
It's already
free.
It's a free. Ano ba to? Sandok in Tagalog. Sandok for rice.
Sandok. It's like a serving spoon for rice.
Okay. Then we have a knife. Of course, a blender.
Yes, because we don't have mixer. We have an alternative for that. Here.
Okay, so guys, correction. We need 2 spoons, 1 bigger spoon, and of course, a knife. What do we do first, Lani?
Slice the avocado.
Okay, so just slice the avocado carefully.
Nice shape.
And remove all of the seeds. Most importantly, get the avocado. I'm really enjoying this.
This is so cute. How long have you been living here in Abu Dhabi?
I've been here since 2016, February.
And you were at the time in what age?
20, because my birthday is in April, so technically turning 21 that time.
We want the bits of the avocado.
Okay guys, you know the drill, just open everything.
It's perfectly smashed. And there you go.
Before putting the avocado, we need to blend this all together.
1 spoonful of lemon juice. After putting the 2 spoonful of sugar, we are now finished in putting all the necessary ingredients.
We're gonna blend it. I think 5 minutes would be enough.
Try it.
Yeah, this is obviously a fail. The blender doesn't work.
Blender. Thought hindi gumagana yung blender. We thought, guys, it's not working, but here it is. Welcome back
To her channel.
My channel is Miko. Please subscribe. After pouring everything.
Yes. We're in here in our ice cream box.
There are 7 who are going to eat this, so
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Milk and cream.
Wow. Because we really want to eat the bits and pieces of this avocado, baby. Now I'm putting everything here.
And these avocados are perfectly smashed already. Smash or mash?
Smashed.
Smash, right?
Mashed avocado.
It should
Smashed
be
avocado.
It should be mashed. Smash.
Smashed.
Whatever.
Whatever.
We're gonna pour in here.
Okay kids, just follow whatever you see in this video.
Already 11 a.m. here, and later we'll see how many hours we need for the guys. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate your comments. Comment down below of everything that you think we need to improve because this one is a first, baby.
So yes!
Wow, ang dami pala! Finished product, the homemade avocado ice cream.
Okay, bro, I just want to make it look aesthetically pleasing, but I think I failed, so whatever. Hope you enjoyed the video. My voice is weird. I still have a cold.
Some of the old